What's up, guys? I'm Sean from Srkcycles, and I'm answering the new rider most common questions. And the question for this day is, what's that hose supposed to be connected to that's dangling off of my bike? And the answer to it is, well, I'm glad that you're noticing that you have hoses dangling off your bike. That's a smart thing to do. But if you actually trace that hose, it's either a vent hose, it's either if you're a carbureted bike, it's connected to your carburetor. That's like an overflow hose. You could have like an overfill hose in your tank, or it could be a vent hose for your battery. So there are actually hoses that do just kind of hang down from your motorcycle. They possibly do go to nothing. So I wouldn't worry about it. Now, if it's a hose and it's just bleeding oil out, maybe you should get that checked out. That answers that question. I know it's really short and quick. We'll see you guys next time. If you have a question about your motorcycle, throw it in the comments.